happy after a hectic day in Munnar with all the busy bustling to come to a place of peace and quiet. The cool villas here is very serene. Love the landscaping. Villa. It's incredibly charming. I have a dining area, a really nice kitchenette area, just about everything you need to cook. Nice little patio in the front, private bedroom and bathroom. Great place to stay. And again, very peaceful here. Let me show you my home for the next few days. I'll be staying in the Barefoot Villa. Come on in. Come on in. Nice sitting area here, very comfortable. The rooms and the grounds fantastic, but the staff is marvelous. They take excellent care of you. They are always very attentive. They notice everything, and anything you need, they're right there. Okay, and of course you can't come to Munnar, a place of incredibly fabulous teas, and not indulge in it. The staff here at Cool Villas arranged for me to go a little off-road safari. Saw some wild elephants, had a great time. They took really good care of me, and it's been a long day. I'm looking forward to relaxing in a nice, quiet, peaceful room.